How to fix Discord server events not showing. To fix Discord server events not showing up, you want to verify your server role permissions and refresh your client. So head over to your settings towards the profile at the bottom left and you'll be on the user settings, right? From here, what you want to do, sorry, here, not on the user settings, you want to head into the particular server, click on server name at the top, and then click on server settings. Once you head over to server settings, you want to head over to role section and you want to verify your role. Now you can also go to the permissions tab from here and check out your permissions and ensure that view channels is turned on and ensure manage events or create events is enabled if they need to manage them for particular members, right? Also, hard refresh the Discord client. Press Ctrl plus R on your desktop. If you are using Mac, you want to press Command plus R and hard refresh it to fix any glitches or bugs. Now, sometimes it can be the event expiration issue. Discord automatically deletes scheduled events from the server list if they do not start within 1 hour of the scheduled start time. Also, make sure to reinstall an Discord application to fix any glitches or bugs sometimes. Now, make sure you update to the latest version. If you do not find any updates, simply reinstall it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.